Okay, you're live.
And I have the wrong size. Good afternoon, guys. So today we gotta go. Remember that box I showed you last video? So today we're gonna go install that. We're gonna do an oil change, and I gotta take off my AAM short tails because I'm selling those. As you can see, I'm getting a screen for my car. It's an Alpine ILX 207. It's right there. Apple CarPlay, backup camera, got all the goods in there. So we're taking that to a shop today to install. I really don't want to mess with all the steering wheel controls, all the backup camera stuff. That it just seems like like a big pain, man. So I just don't want to do that. So we're gonna do that. Go pick up an oil filter, pick up some oil, do the oil change, maybe a car wash, take off the AAM short tails. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Also, don't forget to buy Stockboy stickers. Alright guys, we just got done taking the short tails off, so we're gonna see if we can get a quick startup of it without a muffler. So today's been quite a bummer. I went to the shop, and on the phone they quoted me like $125, but then when I went there, they're like, oh, it's gonna be a lot of work, $200. And I was like, dude, there's no way I'm paying $200 for someone to install my screen. So that didn't happen. I went to O'Reilly to buy oil and an oil filter, and then Daniel forgot the jack. So we didn't get to do an oil change either. So literally everything that I wanted to do today didn't happen. Also, I wanted to get new headlights. That didn't happen either. But at least we got the AAM short tails off. And I need to take the X pipe off so that I can sell those. But let's get a startup of what it sounds like without a muffler. I think it should be a little bit louder because the AAM short tails do have resonators on them. So let's check it out. It just sounds like slightly deeper. It's not that much different. Let me give it a couple revs and we'll see. It's a little bit louder. A little more raspier because the resonators are gone. It looks so weird without any exhaust tips, but that fourth brake light though. What's going on, guys? Okay, so unfortunately this video we're not gonna be able to install the screen that I showed you guys in the box last time because I need to order a Bose module to connect the factory amplifier, and I didn't know about all that. So we gotta do that. We gotta order that, and then I think the screen's gonna be pushed to next video. But so today all we get to do is the oil change. We're gonna head over to Daniel's house now, get the oil change done. But let me show y'all some exciting stuff. So remember how I showed you guys the box with the stereo, right? But even more exciting, look at this box. So this box right here is the most exciting box ever. Y'all can guess what's in that box. Put down in the comments below what's in that box. So that's gonna be next week's video slash like my birthday surprise vlog. It's what I got for myself for my birthday, basically. We're gonna head over to Daniel's house, but before I go, let me show y'all this Popeye's chicken sandwich I made last night right now. So I think for the Nismo, because of this thing, you can't raise it, jack it from the front and be able to put those in. So we had to jack it from this side and then put that one up, come to the front, jack it back up in the middle, and then you can get that stand up. But if you're able to jack it from the front, all you have to do is just put it on this little nipple guy and you should be able to jack it up and get both of them on. Anyways, once you get them on, I think people say that there's 12 bolts all along here that you have to take off, but I think if we just take off like these 4 right here, this part will open up and then the oil pan should be like right there. A good investment would be like the Z-Speed aluminum undershroud because it literally has direct access to the oil pan, but if not, you gotta do it this way.
It's kind of nice, man. I was just down here together.
I think this is on camera, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So my thesis was correct.
Thesis, bro? That's not even...
Just 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of 12. And the oil pan is right there. There's the bolt, there's the filter. The filter we're using is the K&N Performance Gold oil filter. And the oil we're gonna be using is Shell Rotella 5W40 diesel. All right, let's do this. Okay, so the 4 bolts are 10 millimeters. The one on the actual oil pan's a 14 millimeter. Oh no. I missed. Ha! It's peeing.
Oh my god, ew.
Dude, it's so black, bro.
Dude, that's so racist. Come on, bro.
Oh, she got on my face, bro.
Yeah, you have to take those all super slow. Wait, is your oil not hot?
I mean, it's warm. It's like, it feels good though. It's like lukewarm. We're just gonna let that drip for a bit. Guys, the moral of the story is don't wear glasses while doing the oil change. Or a white shirt, because that was smart. So, we're just gonna let it drip.
You look so fobby.
For real?
Yeah.
Alright, take the K-Net filter.
Put a timer next some of that shit.
Bro, this is a scam. It's like all... You know, just...
You have to fill it up too.
Yeah. Just lube it up, guys. Don't forget to put the bolt back on, guys. Put all 4 bolts back in, and then we're gonna see y'all at the top of the hood. This looks so much better than that black stuff that came out. I bought a bigger one because I knew I'm gonna do it for the next 2 oil changes. So I think it's 2.5 gallons versus 9.4 liters. The Z's take about 5 quarts-ish, a little over 5 quarts, which is like 1.25 of a gallon. So 2.5 should be exactly enough for 2 oil changes. The only thing is that it's kind of hard to measure this exactly in half. So the oil change was a success. Check the levels, it's all good. It was messier than expected. I didn't expect the oil filter to just like bust open like that, but it's cool. Camera's not dirty or anything. My glasses got dirty, that sucked, but it's all good. This should run a lot better. I shouldn't be hitting even close to 200, like 210 daily driving, especially in the cold. Hopefully you learned something. The oil change is super easy for the Z. Instead of taking all 12 off, just remember, take 4 off, guys. Take 4, not 12. All right, guys, we're back home. Also, something else I learned, don't wear a white shirt when doing an oil change. My shirt is absolutely dirty. It's filthy now, so don't wear a white shirt. Don't wear glasses when doing an oil change. But other than that, the car runs great. I was driving home. It was smooth. Everything is good. The oil was so black. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, smash that like button. Did you guys see the little subscribe guy that came in? That was pretty cool. I just learned that and I thought it was really cool, so I added it to my videos. We're still selling Sockboy stickers, 1 for 3, 2 for 5. I hope you guys are ready, because next video, that box over there is gonna be so exciting. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Spend time with your family. There's so much to be grateful for. I'll see y'all next time.